Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Yes, in the land of grills, rolling smoke on the PKGO. When's the last time we cooked on the PKGO? Oh man, folks, I tell you what, onion burgers, 1 pound onion burger, folks. I put the onion on the inside of the burger along with the seasoning and some A1 in there. Oh, so good, folks. I tell you what, we got the PK fired up. I tell you what, you want to see how we're doing this? Yeah, indirect. Yeah, the PKGO can do indirect too. You got a pan on the indirect side. We put a little water in there. Then we've got our B&B in there, and I'm gonna put a little hickory and a little mesquite on there. Underneath the fire, that bottom vent is open. Above it, top vent closed. On the other side, the side that's rolling the smoke, that's open. Bottom vent closed. Works a lot like its big brother, the original, the all-new original PK grill. These things are cooking machines, solid aluminum tub, folks. I'll leave a link down below to the review I did on this. Let's go take a look at those. Let's go take a look at that burger. All right, I've just got 1 pound. This is that cheap stuff. This isn't even 80-20. It's like 73-27 stuff, but it works perfect for this. This is what I'm talking about, this dried onions, chopped onions. This is phenomenal on the inside of the burger, along with, I know a lot of people go crazy when I do this, but A1 sauce on the inside, it's so good. And then my buddy Darren, this fire and water stuff. If you haven't checked out all-purpose black garlic seasoning, what are you waiting for? I'll leave a link down below. Wash your hands good. Let's mix it up. Let's make a 1 pound patty. All right, there's our 1 pound ball. Really technical here, folks. I'm just using 2 plates. And I'm just going to press them together here. And then I'll let you decide. I'm going to stop right about there because I want it to be good and thick. Oh yeah, yeah, that's going to be perfect. Shape it a little bit like that. And then these rough edges, push them together. A lot of fat in that. So that onion in that, along with the A1 and the garlic, black garlic, that's going to be nice. But it'll hold together. And we'll shape this side too. Just like that. Wash your hands real good. On for a smoke go on the PKGO. All right, smoke's rolling on the PKGO. Let's take a quick look here. Oh yeah. A lot of people use this for direct cooking, but you can do indirect on the PKGO too. Very, very nice. Give you a look-see. Get asked all the time, what are you using? B&B, orange bag B&B, hotter, longer, cleaner. Get it at Ace Hardware, folks. All right, folks, 30 minutes with that 1 pounder. Let's take a look. Look at that. Holy smokes. Give you a better look. I was not expecting that. On the PKGO, that's done. Take that off. That's gonna be delicious. Give you a look. All right, 1 pound, 20 of, yeah, what was it? It was, all right, folks, 1 pound burger. And you saw what I put inside it with the onions, and I put this, oh man, that stuff. And then the A1. Now on the outside, Famous Dave's, sweet and spicy. Secret Stadium sauce. Got ourselves a bun. Take a test. Right, a lot of other YouTubers would have fancy wood out here and everything, but look at that. Let's just see what a 1 pounder tastes like. Oh man. All right. I'll take a couple more bites to let you know. All right, there's a lot going on there. You got the onions in there, you got the A1 in there, then you got the black garlic in there, and then on top of that, you put the Famous Dave's and the Secret Stadium sauce. Folks, I don't know if you can handle this. There's a lot going on. It is delicious. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always trying something different here. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thanks for watching, folks.